Hey everybody, this is Brian Royal at God's Mountain, and just giving you kind of a scoop of what we're doing at the mountain here as we move the mountain. I'll give you kind of the vision here. This right here is the old existing hillside. Falls all the way up. There's actually a dam that goes across here. This is the top of the hill. So we've got two elevations. We've got this elevation at the foot, and then this elevation at the top. This is what we used to refer to as the old sports field. This is the pole barn up on top. Here's the gym. Here is the old dorm and the cafeteria. This is the apartment 1 and 2. And so this whole area here is the existing hill. And the vision is that we would actually take this whole hillside and scoot it back. That we would take all of this dirt and move it to the bottom of the valley here. And this whole valley is quite deep, so it's going to need a lot of dirt to fill. So we'll be taking this whole hillside back, and actually the top part here also taking this back, so that in the end, and keep this in mind, this is where the dam is right now. So we'll be taking all this and scooting it down and over here. So I'll remove this. Here's the new design. So here's our new hillside, but we'd actually be coming back, and in here is where the dam would be. So we'd be taking this dam out and then actually bringing the whole hillside back here. If you guys have gone on a ridge ride, the ridge right now as of this point comes here, comes over, and then goes up. So this whole hill would start from the ridge and come down, and it'd create a big giant cul-de-sac. There's also some low areas here that would bring in water from the hillside, either side here, and then over here. Right now we have a pond that is in here, and then we had our infamous poo pond right here, and then we had a secondary pond down here. All of those will be eradicated, and this spring will bring in water to a new lake. And if you guys have seen the new dorm, the lake will start at the new dorm and end with a dam at the pool. So this whole area, Lord willing, as we take all this dirt from the top side of the hill down, and as well as up here, take all of this dirt and move it down, we're going to fill this gigantic hole and make it a sports field, about 3 football fields wide. The dorms will go on the bottom side of the hill, and we'll follow around as we need to expand. The top, then we're actually pushing this hill back a tiny bit, about 40 feet, and we're slanting it up. And so this whole top area will be storage for whatever mechanical things we need to store, as well as we have a new mechanic shop up here. So all of this will be a secondary layer dedicated to all of the maintenance vehicles and such. All the lower layer will be a camp style, so there should be no maintenance things down on the camp layer. So that is the vision for the future look of the camp, and I will move you out into the outside where we actually see some of the work occurring.